Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is simple, clear, and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. I'm very excited today
Really? Why are you excited?
because today we are talking about restaurants,
Ah, yes. Today's topic is ordering food at a restaurant.
one of my favorite topics.
I think food is always your favourite topic.
That is true.
This is a very useful English topic,
Yes, many English learners feel nervous in restaurants,
especially when travelling.
right? Maybe they know food words, but they do not know what to say
Like how to order food,
or how to ask for water.
or how to ask for the bill.
Yes, but today we will make it easy.
We will learn simple restaurant English for beginners.
We will learn how to ask for a table, order food, order drinks, ask questions, and ask for the bill.
We will also do a restaurant roleplay,
I love role plays.
and we will hear a short restaurant story from Anna.
Nice.
At the end, we will review the most useful phrases.
Perfect.
Before we start, everyone, please subscribe to Easy English Daily
Yes. If this video helps you, please click the like button.
and share it with a friend who is learning English.
It helps our channel a lot.
It really does.
Okay, Emily, I'm ready.
Great, let's go to the restaurant. First, let's learn some basic restaurant words.
Good idea.
The first word is restaurant.
Restaurant.
A restaurant is a place where you eat food.
I like restaurants very much,
I know.
especially restaurants with dessert.
We will talk about dessert later.
Excellent.
The next word is menu.
Menu.
A menu shows the food and drinks.
Very important.
You can say, "Can I see the menu?"
Can I see the menu?
Excellent.
What other words do we need?
Waiter.
Waiter.
A waiter is a man who brings food.
And waitress?
A waitress is a woman who brings food.
Good.
Another useful word is table.
Table.
You can say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please.
Very useful.
Especially if you are with another person.
Exactly.
What about the money part?
Ah, yes, the word is bill.
Bill.
In American English, people also say check.
Check.
At the end of the meal, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
I usually say that after dessert.
Of course.
Dessert is important.
Yes, Paul.
Very important.
Other useful words are
Drink.
drink,
Dessert.
dessert,
Breakfast.
breakfast,
Lunch.
lunch,
Dinner.
dinner. Very good. Now let's learn how to ask for a table.
Okay.
Imagine you enter a restaurant.
I'm imagining food already.
Good. The waiter says,
Hello. Welcome.
"Very good." Then you can say,
A table for two, please.
"Excellent."
What if I am alone?
Then you can say,
A table for one, please.
"Perfect."
What if there are four people?
A table for four, please.
Easy.
Yes, very easy and useful.
Can we practice?
Of course. A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
A table for one, please.
A table for one, please.
A table for four, please.
A table for four, please.
Excellent.
What else can we say?
You can ask,
Can we sit here?
"Very good,"
Can we sit here?
or
Do you have a table?
"Excellent."
Do you have a table?
Very natural restaurant English. Now let's order food.
Finally.
Paul has been waiting for this moment.
Yes.
There are three very useful patterns.
Okay.
Number one,
I would like
excellent.
pasta.
Very natural.
I would like pizza.
Good.
I would like dessert.
Of course.
Very important English sentence.
Number two,
Can I have?
excellent.
Can I have a burger?
Very good.
Can I have some water?
Perfect.
Can I have fries?
Nice.
Number three,
I
I want pizza.
yes, but listen carefully.
Okay.
I want is understandable, but I would like sounds more polite.
Ah, okay.
So in restaurants, I would like is usually better.
Good to know.
Let's practice.
Okay.
I would like pasta.
I would like pasta.
I would like salad.
I would like salad.
Can I have a burger?
Can I have a burger?
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
I would like orange juice.
I would like orange juice.
Excellent.
Drinks are also important.
Yes. The waiter may ask,
Would you like something to drink?
very good.
And then I can say,
I would like water.
I would like water.
I would like coffee.
I would like coffee.
Can I have orange juice?
Can I have orange juice?
Excellent.
What drinks do you like at restaurants?
Usually water or tea.
Very healthy.
What about you?
Orange juice. Sometimes soda.
And coffee?
Coffee anytime.
Even at dinner?
Maybe not at midnight.
Good idea. Sometimes we want to ask questions in restaurants.
Very useful.
For example,
What do you recommend?
excellent.
What do you recommend?
This means, what food is good here?
Nice.
Another useful question,
Is this spicy?
very good.
Is this spicy?
Important for many people.
Yes. Some people love spicy food.
And some people do not.
What about you?
A little spicy is okay.
I like spicy food.
I'm not surprised.
Can we ask for water?
Of course.
Can I get water?
Excellent.
Can I get water?
Or,
Can I have water?
both are natural.
And at the end?
At the end, you can say,
Can I have the bill, please?
perfect.
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent. Now let's do a full restaurant role play.
Great.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the waiter?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready. Hello. Welcome to Sunny Restaurant.
Hello.
How many people?
A table for two, please.
Of course. Please come this way.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I would like pasta and salad, please.
Very good. Anything to drink?
Water, please.
Okay. Pasta, salad, and water.
Yes.
And for your friend?
Paul?
Yes. I would like a burger and fries, please.
That sounds very Paul.
Thank you.
Anything to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Great. One burger, fries, and orange juice.
Yes.
Would you like dessert today?
What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is very popular.
Then, yes. I would like chocolate cake.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
That was a great role play.
Yes, very useful beginner restaurant English,
We used many important phrases.
like,
A table for two, please.
I would like.
Can I have...
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill?
Excellent. Now let's practice fast food restaurant English.
Oh, I know this English very well.
I'm sure you do.
Fast food restaurants are usually quick and simple.
Yes, the conversations are usually short.
Very useful for beginners.
Okay, let's practice. Hello, welcome.
Hi, can I have a cheeseburger and fries, please?
Of course, anything to drink?
Cola, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
Yes. One chocolate ice cream.
Okay, your total is $12.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very nice.
Fast food. English is usually easy.
Yes, very direct and simple.
Let's practice more fast food phrases.
Good idea.
Can I have a burger?
Can I have a burger?
Can I have fries?
Can I have fries?
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
Small or large?
Small or large?
That's all. Thank you.
That's all, thank you.
Excellent.
I'm getting hungry again.
Again?
Restaurant English is dangerous. Now let's practice simple coffee shop sentences.
Okay.
I would like coffee.
I would like coffee.
Can I have tea?
Can I have tea?
One muffin, please.
One muffin, please.
Small or medium?
Small or medium?
That will be $8.
That will be $8.
Excellent work. Now let's do a repeat after me practice.
Listen carefully and repeat slowly.
Ready?
Let's begin.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like pasta.
I would like pasta.
Can I have a burger?
Can I have a burger?
Can I have water?
Can I have water?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this spicy?
Is this spicy?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
Very good job, everyone.
Let's practice a little more.
Repetition helps your English grow.
Yes. Repeat slowly and clearly.
I would like pizza and salad.
I would like pizza and salad.
Can I get orange juice?
Can I get orange juice?
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
Small or large?
Small or large?
That's all. Thank you.
That's all, thank you.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Could I have more water?
Could I have more water?
We would like dessert.
We would like dessert.
Excellent speaking practice.
Great job, everyone. Now let's listen to a short story from Anna.
Story time.
Hello, my name is Anna. Yesterday I went to a restaurant with my friends. We went to a small Italian restaurant near the park. The restaurant was clean and friendly. When we arrived, the waiter said, "Hello, welcome." My friend said, "A table for 3, please." The waiter showed us our table and gave us menus. I looked at the menu carefully. There were many delicious foods like pizza, pasta, salad, soup, and chicken. The waiter asked, "Are you ready to order?" I said, "Yes. I would like pasta and orange juice, please." My friend ordered pizza and water. My other friend ordered salad and tea. The waiter was very friendly. He asked, "Would you like dessert today?" We said yes because the chocolate cake looked delicious. After dinner, we talked and laughed together. The food was very good, and the restaurant was nice. At the end, my friend asked, "Can we have the bill, please?" Then we paid and went home. I was nervous before because I wanted to practice English in a restaurant, but I learned that simple English is enough.
Thank you, Anna.
That was a very useful story.
Anna used many good restaurant phrases.
She said, "A table for 3, please."
Then she said,
I would like pasta and orange juice.
her friend ordered pizza and water.
Good choice.
And another friend ordered salad and tea.
Very healthy.
The waiter asked about dessert.
Dessert is important.
Yes, Paul.
Chocolate cake sounds amazing.
Anna also said something important.
What?
Simple English is enough.
That is very true.
You do not need perfect English to order food.
Simple sentences work very well.
Now let's practice simple answers.
Good idea.
If the waiter says, "What would you like?" you can say,
I would like pasta.
"I would like pasta."
I would like pizza.
"I would like pizza."
Can I have a burger?
"Can I have a burger?"
Can I have water?
"Can I have water?"
Very simple.
Yes, very simple and very useful. Let's do one more short conversation.
Okay.
Hello? Welcome.
A table for 2, please.
Of course, here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like pizza and water.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. Now let's review the most useful restaurant phrases from today.
Review time.
Restaurant,
Restaurant.
menu,
Menu.
waiter,
Waiter.
waitress,
Waitress.
table,
Table.
bill.
Bill.
Excellent.
Now useful sentences.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like pasta.
I would like pasta.
Can I have a burger?
Can I have a burger?
Can I have water?
Can I have water?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this spicy?
Is this spicy?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent work.
Emily, I think restaurant English is very useful.
I agree.
Many people feel nervous in restaurants.
especially in another country.
Yes, but simple English is enough.
Exactly.
You do not need difficult grammar.
You can say,
I would like pizza.
"Can I have water?"
A table for two, please.
Very simple.
And very useful.
Practice small sentences every day.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are normal.
Every sentence helps your English grow.
Yes, every sentence helps. Well, everyone, that is all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Daily.
We hope this episode helped you learn how to order food in English.
If it helped you, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Easy English Daily for more easy English lessons.
Also, please share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, and now we have a question for you.
Homework time.
What food do you like to order at restaurants?
You can write one simple sentence.
For example, I like pizza,
Or, I like burgers.
or I like pasta.
Or, I like chocolate cake.
Of course, Paul.
Dessert is important.
Yes, Paul.
Very important.
Thank you again for listening.
Keep practicing your English.
Stay safe, have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Paul.
Bye, Emily.